Okay, it's been below 0 degrees for the last few days. It's bloody cold out. The Thruxton will not start. The battery is showing about 12.4 volts. The ECU requires about 12.6 volts to start. I'm not sure why this is, but one thought is it could be that the various sensors send the ECU some inaccurate information when the battery gets low, and this would cause the ECU to make some poor decisions. So here's your emergency start. Remove the left side cover, and here's the starter relay. I've drilled a hole through the case, the side of it, so I can access the contacts on the relay, and I keep this golf tee handy. Pull back the tape, remove the golf tee, and you can see the hole there, you can clearly see that. So I'm going to poke the golf tee through there to close the contacts. The bike will start. So we have to turn on the ignition. You can hear the fuel pump prime. We'll give it some choke. Make sure the bike's in neutral when you do this. This procedure will bypass the clutch switch and side stand switch. Okay, so take the golf tee or whatever you've got, poke it in the hole, and the bike will start.